probably see these cute chick videos going viral on the internet every day. I'm sure they've shown up on your feed too. Every single day, beginners are uploading simple animated videos. And those videos are getting views, followers, and real income. No fancy skills, no experience, no expensive software, just smart use of AI. This niche is exploding because it solves one big problem. People want content that looks high quality, but is easy to make. And here's the crazy part. You can create multiple stunning videos in just 30 minutes a day, even if this is your first video ever. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build a full animated story, step by step, scene by scene, using free tools and a simple process. So stop scrolling, watch closely, because this opportunity is wide open, right now. So let's start and create one ourselves. First, go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt that I've shared in the description. You'll get 8 scenes from it. I'm creating a story here, so I've taken 8 scenes. If you're making shorts, you can select just 2 or 3 scenes. Next, ask ChatGPT to give you the character prompt in detail. Copy that prompt and paste it into Whisk AI. Make sure you select the pen icon under Subject before pasting the prompt. Since we are using only one character, we'll generate images scene by scene in order, using the same character each time. I'm choosing 16 by 9 because I'm creating a full YouTube video. If you're making content for Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, choose the 9 by 16 ratio instead. Generate all the images first. Once all the images are ready, download them. Now search for Flow, open it, click on New Project, then choose Text to Video, Frame to Video. Right now, I have some credits on a paid plan, so I'm creating the video here. Once my credits expire, I'll also show you how to generate videos using the free option. For the first video, I'm selecting Quality. It uses more credits, but gives better output. After that, I'll switch to Fast and create the remaining videos the same way. If your credits run out, you can log in with a new Gmail account and generate videos again. I've already uploaded a video on my channel showing how to create a temporary Gmail account. If you need that, comment below and I'll share the link. Once all your videos are generated, download them. Editing is very simple. Just place all the videos on the timeline, add one transition, and export the final video. That's it! Now you've seen how simple this really is. No guessing, no complicated editing, just a repeatable system that actually works. This is exactly how people are creating viral animated shorts today, and there's still plenty of space for new creators. So don't overthink it. Don't wait for perfect. Take action today. Create your first video and improve as you go. If this video helped you even a little, please support the channel. Like, subscribe, and share it. I'm here to make AI simple, practical, and accessible for everyone. More tutorials are coming. More ideas. More opportunities. I'll see you in the next video. Let's build something real together.